Our task for today is to solve for the 6 trigonometric ratios using the given right triangle with its measurements as indicated. So let's recall that the 6 trigonometric ratios are the sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And there is a mnemonic that you can use to easily memorize or familiarize these 6 trigonometric ratios. And that is the 𝗁𝗂𝗧, 𝗁𝗂𝗧, again, 𝗁𝗂𝗧. That is a mnemonic for you to memorize or familiarize the 6 trigonometric ratios. So stands for sine theta opposite over hypotenuse. Ka stands for cosecant theta adjacent over hypotenuse. And then we have TOA, that stands for O opposite over adjacent. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. And then we have CHO, which stands for cosecant theta equals hypotenuse over opposite. And then we have SHA, which stands for secant theta equals hypotenuse over adjacent. And lastly, we have COW, which stands for cot theta, which is equal to adjacent over opposite. Now let's recall that in a given right triangle, the side opposite to the right angle, which is this is the side opposite to this right angle, that is the hypotenuse. Now the adjacent or the opposite could vary depending on your reference angle or your theta. So if this is our reference angle, the side that is closest or closer to this angle is the adjacent. So this is the adjacent side or adjacent side based on our reference angle. Now, the side opposite to this is of course the opposite side. So this is our reference angle, so the opposite side would be this one. So this is the opposite side. Now, for us to solve for the 6 trigonometric ratios, which is actually easy, we just have to substitute the given values to these ratios. So for sine theta, that is opposite over hypotenuse, the value for opposite is 3. So therefore, that's going to be 3. And the value of hypotenuse is 5. So that's 5. So therefore, sine theta is 3/5. Now, cos theta, that is just adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is 4. And our hypotenuse is 5. So that's 4 over 5. Now, for tangent theta or tan theta, that is just equal to opposite over adjacent. So our opposite value is 3. And the adjacent is 4. So that's 3/4. And then we have cosecant theta, that's just hypotenuse over opposite. So our hypotenuse is 5. And the opposite is 3. So cosecant theta equals 5/3. And then we have sec theta, which is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. So hypotenuse is again 5. And adjacent is 4. So it's 5/4. And then lastly, we have cotangent theta, that is just equal to adjacent over opposite. So our adjacent is 4. And our opposite is 3. So therefore, the cotangent theta equals 4/3. Now this is just basically how you solve the 6 trigonometric ratios using the given right triangle.